Hi everyone. Today, we are going to talk about identifying good shares for a long-term investment. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to understand the factors that can impact the success of your investment. Here are some key points to consider when identifying good shares for a long-term investment. Company's financial health. Before investing, it's important to assess the financial health of the company you are considering. This includes analyzing the company's financial statements, such as its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, to see if it is financially stable. Company's growth potential. A company's future growth potential is also an important factor to consider. This can include things like the company's market share, product pipeline, and competitive landscape. Management quality. The quality of a company's management team is also important to consider. You want to invest in companies that are led by experienced, capable, and ethical leaders. Market trends. Another important factor to consider is market trends. You want to invest in companies that are in industries that are growing and have strong future prospects. Diversification. It's also important to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, consider investing in a variety of different companies across different industries to reduce your risk. In conclusion, when looking for good shares for a long-term investment, it's important to consider the company's financial health, growth potential, management quality, market trends, and diversification. By considering these factors, you can make informed decisions that will help you build a successful long-term investment portfolio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal finance and investing.